Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry that I have all my tools back. I just started a little bit. I made my house and it's over there because I couldn't find my tools because I died by trident. Hint hint. So now I'm going to explore. Hopefully not die. That's gonna be my temporary house. Temporary. Oh my gosh, I can't speak today. Okay, I am literally going. If I get, I'm gonna get 360 no scoped by a skeleton, 100%. Oh my gosh. Come here. I love you. I love you, game. Come here. I'm gonna give you a big hug with this pickaxe. Oh, there's so much of it too. Oh my gosh, all this XP. If I find a village, I'm living at that village. Just saying. I'm gonna make like a base there. I might or might not be making a series kind of like Luke Notable, if you even know who that is. He basically does like hardcore days, and I think he's recording 3,000 as we speak. 3,000 days in hardcore Minecraft. He even made how strong Luke the Notable is. He gave him all of his armor from 2,000 days. And, he went against, like, bunches of mobs. I don't know what I'm doing. Hold up. Is that just me? Does that look like a village? I'm going over there. I'm gonna make a crafting table and then a furnace. That's my temporary home. I'll go back to that home every once in a while. No, that's not. Cap. I'm cringe now. Not to offend anyone who says cap, but I just don't really like cap. Actually, now that I think of it, cap's cool. Stop the cap. That was actually kind of weird what I just said. I like cap, but I hate cap. I have the urge to just jump off right here, but I know if I jumped off from, I would land on that one piece of sand and just end my career. So let's not try and end my career today. Okay. I'm actually gonna be smart this time and craft a boat. Because last time I didn't craft a boat and I died. So every time I venture over water, I'm doing a boat because I'm not trying to replay what happened. Ow, I broke my legs. Meow. Nope, that's a desert temple. Something even better than a village. I used to think that when there's a desert temple around or a village around in the desert, I've always think that there was a village nearby. Don't know why. Hate husks. Don't know why. Probably because they're zombies that don't burn. mean, you can burn them with, like, lava and flint and steel. It's just, you can't, they don't burn in the sunlight. Alright. Please, diamonds. This is canon. I did not... Oh. There's a creeper down there. Alright. About to take him out. Scary bean style. Where is he? Where is he? Where is this guy? Disappeared. Oh, no, he's right there. Alright, come here. Oh, there's another one. Yeah, come on. Explode. Come here. Oh my. Okay, I guess I just wanted to introduce myself. Well, I mean, okay. Alright, I'm gonna take extreme precaution. And as soon as I get down there, boom. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Food? Food? I feel rich. Gunpowder. I want to make a gun now. Oh my gosh. Bro, I'm gonna make a bow. Put infinity on it. Oh. 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 Knowledge. Alright, yeah. Oh, it's already nighttime? It's literally almost nighttime already. And I didn't build anything. Nope. Okay. Yeah, not there. I'm just gonna run. I got food. I got food. I'm just gonna run. Some black guy named Quiz. Their bedsheet off my head. I'm just looking for a village. Can't be that hard just to get a village. Wow. That voice was my mom in the background. Before I start recording, I usually let my mom know that I'm recording, but I didn't let her know. No, 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 no. Why did I stop running? No, 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 no. Thank you. I've been spared by the gods. Yo, can I just have a lunch break, please? Like, skeletons are everywhere now? Among Us? They have guns. Among Us. Alright, dinner break. No, it's not. Okay. Here we go. Wherever that lava is, that's not a pit where I want to fall. No. No. Go away. No. Nope, 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 nope. Big no. You cannot bite me. You might be poisonous. I don't want to be in the water either. I hate the water after the incident. This is risky. This is really risky. Don't touch me. Yo. Is that another... No. No. No way. No way. No way. No way. 100% no way. This game is giving me brain block right now. There's a village. No. 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 I should have really made a shield. Should have really made a shield. I regret. 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 Oh. Okay. Well, today I'm gonna try not to die. I don't know what I'm gonna be smelting. I don't know what could I smelt? I don't know. Could I make charcoal? I don't even know how to make charcoal. Is this how? Okay, what we're gonna do down here is the crafting table. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna place it down, we're gonna make a shield. Thank gosh, I can make one. We're gonna get that shield on. And then I'm gonna make, what can I make? Can't make that. Make a helmet. Or I can make some boots. Or wait, how much do I have? I make boots? 2. I'm gonna make iron pick and an iron axe. Now you guys might be cringing why I made a pick and an axe, but you guys might not be cringing because I made a pick and the axe. Yep, still nighttime. Okay, bathroom break. Well, it's still nighttime. Alright, I'm back. Alright, let's see. Is it daytime yet? It's about to be. Alright, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go head to that, you know, desert temple. And after that, I'm gonna try and find a village like I was trying to do in the first place. Hey, they are really interested. Nope. Please. Stop. I am not comfortable in this situation. This is the only way. We gotta tunnel out of here. Oh. Run! Okay. Nope. Nope. Leave me alone. Don't care. I honestly could not care. I honestly could not care. Okay. We're in. Well, that wasn't really cool. Anything useful on here? Oh, another golden apple. Oh my gosh. I'm getting dream luck right here. 27 food. Yum. Eat up, boys. Dinner break. Oh, what? Okay. Well, the only thing good here was the gapples. Alright, well, time to go back up. Wait, hold up, I gotta eat more food. In real life. Okay. Yo. No. No way. I am getting dream luck right here. Your mom. Bro, we got some ASMR right here. Yo, is that a village? Is that a village? That's a village! That was a pillager outpost right there, too. Alright. No, it's abandoned. No. Game. I thought I was getting dream luck, and then you changed it on me. Yo, come on. Oh my. Coconut. I'm a coconut. Alright. Oh my gosh. More food. Poggers. More for me. Bro, what is this poggers? Food. Alright, well, time to go explore this abandoned village that Microsoft made. I also hate the addition of abandoned villages. Because you're really far away like I am. Like, oh, blacksmith, there's a village. You get closer, there's cobwebs on it, and you're like, what the heck? It's abandoned. So excited too because of the village. And my hopes up for nothing. Well, no one in here. Swap %. I'm a coconut. Yo, this is the weirdest house ever. Yo, bread? Actually. Food? Okay. That. Gimme. Gimme it all. Yo, gimme. Yo, actually. We're on Pocket Edition. Be like zombies. Wait, empty map. No. No way. I'll spare the lives of the sheep because I've already. Oh, harvested. I can harvest this. Oh. Ooh. No, it's not. Alright. He's capping. Alright, well, oh, I thought that was a bow. Okay. Dinner time. Break. wish that they never made abandoned villages. That's like the doo-doo. Like, actual doo-doo. I literally just said why they're doo-doo. I'll say it again. You're like so far away and you see like, you know, the farm and like, oh, village. And you see like one of the houses, but you don't see the side of the cobwebs. You're like, oh yeah, village, but you don't see the cobwebs. And you're like, yeah, I can get that blacksmith, get all that loot, and then you come up to it, and there's cobwebs on it, and there's nothing there. I swear, if this is an abandoned village, I'm going to actually cry. In the videos, that's how mad I would be. This is abandoned. Yo, you know, like maybe like a couple, like maybe 200 blocks that way. To an abandoned village. A villager outpost. But hey, we did it. We finally found a village. Anyways, I gotta start eating my food, aka rotten flesh. Okay. Okay, go up here. Go up here. What is this? Bread. Organize that. I will survive because I will drop onto this one. Actually, I was so close to dying there. Okay, I also hate cats. Not actually gonna lie. I hate them. It's like dogs better. Yo, is this a romance right here? Oh, let me be a part. No, just another. What are you? What are you? Oh. What is this? Sharpness 2? I'm just looking for your hay bales. First, I should actually sleep because I have not slept. This is actually, bro. Why you jumbled on me? Oh. Okay. Adult in like 5 seconds. I literally just met you. How did you just grow into an adult? Oh my. Why? This is why I hate cats too. They just kill things. Like I just watched them murder bunnies. Don't worry, he won't get you, rabbit. Okay. I am going to break a chest and make it my own. I already know it's a chest here. Like you. Like you. Like you. Wait. Hello there, Mario. What do I need? I really don't need what do I need and what don't I need? I actually don't need gunpowder because I'm not going to be making TNT anytime soon. Okay. If I die here, actually, just in case just to make sure I don't oh. Whee! Dies. Oh my god. Okay. Now that we got a chest. No one needs a chest. Can't hide it from me. Alright, I know what I'm gonna make with all my string. I'm gonna make a fishing pole. I can tame a cat for some reason. Don't know why. Just said I don't like them. Deal with it. And, okay, time to empty out my inventory. Like, actually my entire inventory. And then I'm gonna take the things that I... Okay. Boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. 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 Boom, boom. Shut up, cat. Okay. Now that we got everything, I'm gonna go make a farm. Right along here. Oh, this is gonna be a big farm. I just popped my neck. Oh. Okay. And what? Okay. I have so many seeds. I have too many seeds. I have too many seeds. No! I have too many seeds. Just gonna say it here. Too many. I have to plant them where they're not gonna get the water. That's how much seeds I have. Yeah, that's as much as I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna cut down this tree. Go put this dish in the sink. This video is gonna be like 30 minutes long. I could. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, okay. No, it's not. Alright. Boom. Pow. Bada bop bop. Where's my standstill? Okay. Okay, now I have 64. And now I can have 21 bread. Should make 27 now. Plus all that wheat that I have for some reason, which would make 44 bread. Now I can that area, and I forgot to do this, which is make my fishing rod, so I have food. No, I just want make like a bow. I always get that wrong for some reason. Don't know why. Okay, and then a fishing rod. Alright, now we will do that. And just get my bed out. Set my spawn point. And now I'm going to like literally make the oak species extinct. Why did the oak tree species? I don't know. But I'm going to make it extinct. And then I'm going to repopulate it and then make it extinct again. Let's see how long this. Oh, right. I forgot. I can't check like that. Okay. I feel like I am cringe now. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave that. I'm just gonna have that like I was never there. I was never here. You never saw me, I never saw you. Deal? Deal. Okay. I'm just gonna like actually make this tree extinct. Nice how you can do that, Judas. Oh my god. Dogs! No! I don't have my bones on me! I'm gonna go get them. I'm gonna go get them. I'm gonna get some dogs. I'm gonna get some dogs today. Part 2, getting dogs. Pog. Dog, pog. Pog, dog. Okay. Ow. I broke my legs, but that's okay, because I'm about to be getting some dogs. my bones. Just real quick, gonna get all this lined up, and then we're gonna go. Just run. Here, just gonna get some dogs, cause like I want to, and I need to. If you want to get dogs, buy this 101 book. It doesn't actually exist. Always keep bones on you, because you never know when you're going to That's what I thought. No, that's not. We are number one. I'm gonna make my house. Where is my shovel? Shovel. Gotta get my shovel. Actually, I'm just gonna dig out this path, and then I'm gonna end the video, because it's always probably gonna be like 30 minutes long or something. Okay. Alright, now that we did that. Boom. Alright. So, now probably make a video tomorrow. I'm gonna set up the frame of the house before I actually end up ending the video. Okay. It's gonna be just a small house. Eradicate you. It's gonna be a small house. Boom. Move. Move. Move! I don't know why I broke that. Okay. And, yeah, I guess I'll end off the video here. So, bye.